My first flight was when I was 15. I started to fly gliders. My first solo flight was when I was 16, and later on I continued flying in motor airplanes. And a few years later I started with aerobatics, which was an incredible experience for me, and really starting from zero again. I'm Juan Velarde, I'm from Spain. I'm a regular race pilot, and I've been flying aerobatics and competing for the last 15 years as a member of the Spanish aerobatic team. Well, I think there are many good things about being a pilot. Of course, for me, it's the best profession in the world. Pure flying itself is just, for me, it's a fantastic feeling. The feeling of control of the machine, the feeling of freedom in the air, that is really, really motivating. Also, to be a competition pilot is even more motivating because you have so many things involved and a constant will to perform well and to get better and better. And that's really a strong motor in my life. Well, Team Velarde, basically we are 4 members on site, and we also work with another 3 engineers in Madrid. And we all have to be very coordinated. This is like a very complex machine with many elements, and they really have to work together and in the same direction and to push forward. Well, this airplane has changed quite a lot. It used to be a stock H540 V2, which was an aerobatic airplane, but it had to be converted to a race plane. And the airplane right now is completely different since 5 years ago. That you can see like the cowlings, the wingtips, even the landing gear fairings, and so also has many changes on the inside. The airplane is much lighter now. 2 years ago, we wanted to start developing even more the airplane aerodynamically, and we got in touch with an engineer in Spain that also gave us the contact of Mentor Graphics.
At the end of 2016, Team Velarde approached Mentor Graphics and asked if we could help with their external aerodynamics of their aircraft. So since then, we've been using FloEFD to analyse certain detailed aspects of the external aerodynamics, the detailed shaping of parts like the winglets, and using FloEFD and its unique capabilities to rapidly analyse different design variants.
Because we had the need of improving the airplane. You always have to improve the airplane, and the best tool to improve aerodynamically is the FloEFD.
Because FloEFD employs different simulation technologies, novel techniques, compared to traditional CFD, this enables us to rapidly analyse lots of different design variants that would be very tricky or time-consuming to do using conventional CFD.
Well, we're working very closely with Mentor Graphics for the last months, and FloEFD is a really advanced and a high-level tool that we can use to analyze all the changes we want to do in aerodynamics of the airplane. It's really saving us a huge amount of testing hours and working hours. Actually, without this tool, without the FloEFD, many of the modifications we are going to do, it would be just impossible to perform in that aspect.
Front loading is absolutely critical to the success of our project with Team Velarde. The technologies behind front loading mean we can rapidly analyse lots of different design variants, quickly get results, understand their implications and how this might affect performance, share these with the team, and then make a correct, informed decision on future design changes to improve performance during the race.
It's an amazing advanced tool that is not reachable for everybody, and we are lucky to be working with Mentor Graphics in that aspect. To win in the regular race is a very difficult task, but of course we're aiming for it, and you have to pay attention to every single step on the chain and to all the details. Many fields that we can work on, and especially we can work on small details. And for these items or for these fields, the FloEFD and the collaboration with Mentor is basic for us.